How to install Windows 11 in laptop. If you would like to install Windows 11 on your laptop, it is very simple to do so because all you have to do is to simply make sure to open your browser and search for Windows 11 official download from Microsoft. You will find the first link from Microsoft that says download Windows 11. Now, when you're on this page, there are three ways to install Windows 11. First is just by using Installation Assistant, which is most likely very easier. And then you can also create Windows 11 installation media like a pen drive, or you can download a disk image. Depending on what you want to do, just click on the download button. Let's say I chose the installation assistant. I will download the exe file. Now, because I've already downloaded it, I will simply go to the download folder here, and you just have to run that installation assistant. Once you run the installation assistant, it will let you know the requirements and everything that you need in order to install Windows 11 on your computer. If your laptop does not support it, there isn't a way for you to go ahead and install it. But if it does support, you'll find the options to follow the on-screen instructions to be able to install Windows 11 on your laptop or desktop, doesn't really matter. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.